Please like and subscribe to my Recreational Destinations channel. It helps me grow my channel, and that's what I need to do to make this stuff happen. Well, I'm headed off this morning to drop off our first load of powder coating stuff. I've got bumper brackets and all kinds of brackets that I found in the trunk that I'm going to need. So I got them all media blasted this morning, and I'm dropping off at Quality Powder Coating today, and we get started on our restoration. Woohoo! Okay, so I got the fenders torn out, and they're a little more rotted than I thought they were. It's not that I probably couldn't fix it. So basically the bottom of the fender right here, it's got holes in it, and it's rusted up into this area. And then over on the other side, it's rusted up really bad inside. So in there it's rusted really bad. So the price now of fenders are for Firebirds are actually low. So do I want fenders that have got rust in them and then I patched them, or just spend $300 for a new fender? So I'm probably going to spend $300 on a new fender. I don't want to put something back that's halfway. So they're probably going to go. I thought they could be that. The other fender has got a hole in it too, but it's actually in better shape. It's just got one hole. So I might use the other fender, and then this one won't be used. So, but the inner fender wells, yeah, they're toast. They're just in really bad shape. So it's all rotted right in here. It's all rotted out. So these are only, believe it or not, like $163. So that's a no-brainer. Those go. I want the car to be really nice. So let me show you some of the other things that I'm fighting here. Oops, sorry about the hand. Don't mind the hand. So this cowl bracket down at the bottom right here is really rotted out. So I'm gonna have to fix that, and I can't, it comes in two halves, comes this half and that half. So I think I'm gonna have to replace both halves because it's shot down in here. It looks like somebody cut this, but it's shot in there. But the rest of the bracket for the hinge mounts, really good. This is where this is like this because they took the rocker out. So the rocker is gone, not a big deal there. And I still haven't quite figured out how I'm going to fix this right in here. Whether I'm going to pull that out and put new steel in, or I'm going to tear the whole front firewall off. So that remains to be seen. The other side has none of that rust. It's only on the driver's side. The passenger side is solid all the way down, the rocker, everything. So it's driver's side, when you think about it. That's the side that has the salt on the road. So I'm thinking that somebody at one time or another drove this in the salt, which these things suck in the snow. So I don't know why anybody would drive it in the winter, but anyways, that's where we're at. So you can see it's really solid. It's just got a lot of scale and junk on it. So I'm gonna put it through the media blaster, see how it comes out, and we'll go from there.